Change in chromosome structure is also called structurally chromosome mutations. It is the following types of mutations. Structurally chromosomal mutations are: first one is deletions, second one is duplications, third one is translocations, and fourth one is inversions. These are the four major structural chromosomal mutations. Now, first we discussed about the deletions. Some amount of genetic material deleted from the chromosomes. Genetic material deleted from the chromosome called deletion, or elimination of genes, elimination of genetic codes from chromosomes called deletions. The deletions are mainly two types. They are terminal deletions and intercalary deletions. Terminal deletions, terminal genes of the chromosome, terminal genes of the chromosome are eliminated, called terminal deletions. Here it is one chromosome containing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I genes. From these genes, HI genes are terminal genes. The terminal HI genes are deleted from the, are eliminated from the chromosome. Which genes are eliminated? Here it is terminal genes are eliminated, called terminal deletions. By the terminal deletions, the normal chromosome size will be reduced. Size will be reduced means, what is mean of structural chromosomes? Structurally mutation chromosomes means the chromosomes are contains normal set of normal set of genes. From this normal set of genes, some genes are added to the chromosomes, or some genes are eliminated from the chromosomes, or exchanged genes called structural mutations. By the deletion or addition, chromosome structure will reduced or increased in the structure, called structurally chromosomal mutations. Here it is the structurally chromosomal mutation. First point is deletions, elimination of genes from the chromosome. Deletion of genes from the chromosome called deletions. Here it is normal chromosome containing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. From these gene HI genes are the terminal genes. The terminal genes are eliminated or deletion. Finally, by this deletion, by this terminal deletion, the chromosome size will be reduced, means structurally changed. The chromosome structurally changed. It is called mutations. And the next type of deletion is intercalary deletion. Intercalary deletion. Intercalary deletion means middle genes of chromosomes are eliminated or deleted, called intercalary deletion. Here it is one chromosome, normal chromosome containing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These are the genes on the chromosome. Here it is D, E genes are intercalary genes. They are middle portion of the chromosome genes. So these DE genes are deleted or eliminated from the chromosome by the mutations. By this mutation, the chromosome size will be reduced, means structurally changed. Structurally, chromosome is changed, called intercalary deletion. Intercalary deletion. By this deletion, chromosome size will be reduced. Chromosome size will be reduced, called structurally chromosomal mutations. And the next one is duplication. Duplication means on chromosome genes are repeatedly arranged. Same genes are repeatedly arranged, called duplication. By these duplications, the chromosome size will be increased. The chromosome size will be increased. Here it is, the chromosome size will be increased. It means structurally mutations. Chromosome structurally mutations done by the duplications of the genes. Here is the duplication of genes, mainly three types: tandem duplications, reverse duplication, displaced duplication. Tandem duplication means normal chromosome containing ABC genes only. So here it is, the ABC genes are repeatedly formed: ABC, 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 ABC. Like these arrangement, like these duplication of genes, chromosome size will be increased. This type of mutation is called tandem duplications. Tandem duplications. And reverse duplications, it is the normal chromosome containing ABC genes. These are reversibly arranged by the duplication. CBA, again ABC, CBA, ABC, CBA. This type of arrangement of mutations called reverse duplications. Reverse duplication and displaced duplication. Irregularly chromosome containing irregular arrangement of genes. They are missed or displaced genes. Misplaced or displaced genes on the chromosome. A, B, C. In the next chromosome, it not continue D, E, and they are continue with no N, O, P, Q and K, L, M. Means the genes are in irregular position. They are duplicated on the chromosome. They are duplicated on the chromosome, called displaced duplication. Tandem duplication means genes are repeatedly formed by the same sequence ABC, 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 called tandem duplications. Reverse duplications means the genes are repeatedly arranged. They are inversible arrangement. Reversible arrangement. Reversible arrangement is called reverse duplications. And displaced duplication means the genes are irregular position. They are repeatedly arranged on the irregular position of the chromosome. ABC, then after NOPQ, then after KLM. These genes are again repeated on the chromosome. This type of duplications are called displaced duplications. And the third one is translocations. In this translocation on the chromosome, genetic material exchanged. Genetic material exchanged. Here it is, by the deletion, chromosome size will be increased. By the duplication, chromosome size will be, by the deletion, chromosome size will be decreased. Chromosome size will be decreased. By the duplication, chromosome size will be increased. And by the translocation, chromosome size will be maybe increased or in the same structure, but the genetic material will be rearranged on the chromosome. Rearranged on the chromosome. By the deletion, chromosome structure will be reduced. By the duplication, chromosome structure will be increased. By the translocation, maybe chromosome structure increased or decreased, or genes are replaced or misplaced or rearranged on the chromosome, called translocations. The translocations are mainly three types. One is simple translocation. Second one is shift translocations. Third one is reciprocal translocation. Simple translocation means between the two chromosomes, genetic material exchanged from one chromosome to another chromosome. One chromosome to another chromosome. So here it is, one chromosome containing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the genes on the chromosome. Another chromosome containing K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R genes. These are present on the another chromosome. It is one chromosome terminal genes. GH genes are translocated to another genes. Translocated to the another genes. By this translocation, one chromosome size will be reduced, one chromosome size will be increased by the addition of GH genes on the another chromosome. This type of translocations are called simple translocations. One chromosome containing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Another chromosome containing K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R genes. One chromosome terminal genes, GH genes, are translocated to another chromosome. Translocation to the another chromosome. By this translocation, one chromosome size will be reduced, another chromosome size will be increased, called simple translocations. Simple translocations. And the shift translocations. Shift translocation means here it is the translocations, the genetic material exchanged between two chromosomes. Genetic material exchanged between two chromosomes, but the structure will not change. The genetic material is rearranged. The genetic material is rearranged on the chromosome. Here it is one chromosome contains A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Another chromosome containing K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Here it is the middle genes. C, D, E genes are middle genes from one chromosome. M, N, O middle genes are from one chromosome. These middle genes are mutually exchanged between the two chromosomes. Mutually exchanged between two chromosomes. By this shift translocations, the chromosome size will be same. The chromosome size will cannot be changed, but the genetic material is rearranged on the chromosome. A, B, C. Here it is A, B, M, N, O, F, G, H. Another chromosome containing K, L, C, D, E, P, Q, R genes. What will happen in this? The middle portion of genes of chromosomes, they are mutually exchanged between two chromosomes. By this shift translocation, chromosome size cannot be changed, but the genes are rearranged on the chromosome. This type of translocations are called shift translocations. And third one is reciprocal translocations. Reciprocal translocation. It related to the simple translocation. Related to the simple translocation. Here it is reciprocal. In reciprocal translocation, one chromosome containing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H genes, another chromosome containing K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R genes. The terminal genes F, G, H, P, Q, R. These two terminal genes are mutually exchanged between two chromosomes. By these reciprocal translocations, the chromosome structure cannot be changed, but the genetic material is rearranged on the chromosome. Here it is the chromosome genetic material rearranged here A, B, C, D, E, P, Q, R. Another chromosome containing K, L, M, N, O, F, G, H. By this translocation, by this reciprocal translocation, the chromosome structure will be same, but the genetic material is rearranged. This type of translocations are called reciprocal translocations. And the last one is, fourth one is inversions. In inversions, the long length of chromosomes are involved by the inversion mutations. In this inversion mutation, the chromosome structure cannot be changed, but the genes of chromosomes are rearranged on the chromosome. Here it is one large length of chromosome containing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. These are more number of genes, they are present on the long length of chromosome. In inversion, only long length of chromosomes are involved. Here it is the long length of chromosomes shows folding like structures. By this folding like structures shows chiasma. These chiasmas are cut into parts by the endonuclease enzymes. The remaining cutting parts are ligazed by the DNA ligase enzyme. Finally, after ligation, on this chromosome, on this inversion of chromosome, genetic material will be rearranged. Here it is, generally during the inversion, The chromosome sequence here it is 1 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O, like this arrangement. Here it is the chiasma like structure formed after DE, between DE or between KL. It is chiasma cut into fragments. They are ligased by the ligation enzyme. Finally, they are arranged A B C D K J I H G F E L M N. Here it is A B C D K J I H G F E L M N. Finally, the chromosome size will be same, but on this chromosome, genetic materials are rearranged. This type of mutations, structural mutations, are called inversions. So these are the structural chromosomal mutations.